Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this vlog you will get to know everything about Ez Village. Ez Village is very close to Nice and is a very popular picturesque village in French Riviera. So sit back and enjoy this beautiful village with all the details you need to travel to Ez Village. Now let's quickly find out how we can reach this beautiful village from Nice. So if you are in Nice, you can either take a cab, you can take a bus. Bus number 602 goes to Nice, goes to Monte Carlo Casino, basically covers the whole French Riviera. Or you can take a train to Ez, and from there you can take a cab to Ez Village. The distance between Nice and Ez Village is just 10 to 12 kilometers or 5 to 6 miles, so it's not that far. Now get ready for a journey through cobblestone streets, historic charm, and breathtaking views. So, are you guys excited to explore this beautiful village with What's Up Ravina? If you saw my previous vlog, you know that I came from Monte Carlo Casino and we reached Ez Village around 3ish. And I think it's a perfect time to visit Ez Village so that you can enjoy the sunsets from the cliff and the views to Mediterranean Sea just become more beautiful. Join Asher as he wanders through the narrow streets lined with vibrant flowers, ancient stone buildings, and artisanal shops. Every corner holds a piece of history and beauty, and these streets were literally like maze. Half of the time I was like, where am I? Am I lost? Did I miss a street? These narrow cobblestone streets are lined with charming boutiques, art galleries, and cafes. And I got lucky and spoke to one of the owners of the shop who was selling this jewelry. And she told me all the jewelry was handmade by her husband, and this is what they do for a living. Isn't it amazing and so beautiful? And every piece was art of work, work of art. Sorry.
इतना प्यारा विलेज है ना, कांट इवन टेल यू, बहुत ही।
If you are in Ez Village, do not forget to click some amazing shots, amazing pictures because everything is so picturesque and worth clicking. These tiny, cute little shops in the mazes of Ez Village were so beautiful, and they were selling very exclusive pieces, very handcrafted pieces, by the locals, and everything was worth taking home. Like I was getting the feeling to shop them all. Please comment and let me know. Do you also shop a lot when you travel? And here is another tip if you want to travel to Ez Village. I will highly recommend booking some restaurants. I will link them below so you know where you will get the best views. But it's usually very busy and it's very hard to find tables, so kindly book them in advance. Jardin Exotique, or the Cactus Garden in Ez Village, is something you should never miss if you are in Ez Village. And don't worry if you have not visited it, I will show everything about this garden from Ravina's lens. So sit back and enjoy.
Je vois la viande, mais des mon amour, des mots dont tu les joues, et sans me faire que le cocher.
Now, if you are in French Riviera, you have to buy some perfumes, isn't it? And therefore, I am here at Fragonard Perfumery where I will buy some exotic perfumes from French Riviera. And you know what? You can also create your own perfumes here using the notes you like in your perfume. Again, for that, please book in advance. Make sure you check the timetables when that activity is happening. I was literally enjoying like a happy kid because all the fragrances here were so beautiful and so refreshing. They were straight out of flowers. I just could not stop myself from shopping here. I bought some natural perfumes from straight from the gardens of France. They have made it here and
Can you tell me the notes of this one?
No, in
Yeah, this one is the Better Than Me, Beauty of the Night.
Beauty for the night.
Yes.
Okay, I'm buying
Very famous perfume. It's almost 80 years old.
80 years old
Yes.
perfume. I'm buying this.
Rose inside and jasmine inside, plum inside. Base note is wood, but we don't know what kind of wood inside.
Okay. All right, thank you.
I also got some reed diffusers from here, and I will highly recommend to do shopping from here because those reed diffusers, as I'm making the video now, are giving me a beautiful fragrance around my home. And finally, the time has come when I have to leave this beautiful village of Ez and go back to my city Nice. And I am taking bus number 82 for that. If you have seen my Nice vlog, we bought this card for public transport, and this card works with this bus. And we are back at the hotel.